Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In the workshop this week, well, you've caught me in the middle of a job again, and I'm doing this on my phone again, but it's a really screaming fast tip about how to reach right into the corners when you're putting an oil finish on a veneered board. It's coming up next. You know, when you make a veneered cabinet or a carcass, I try and keep the backs separate so you can get a good finish on it all the way into the edges, but sometimes you can't help but actually fix the solid back in place first, and then it can be a little bit tricky to get right into the very corners to get the oil or the wax all the way in there. And what I do, even with a fully loaded cloth, is I just use a painter's spatula or a filling knife, wrap that stockinette cloth around it, and then you can reach right into the corners easily to poke in and get a full covering of oil right into that corner. So that's it, a simple little palette knife, filler knife with a cloth wrapped around it can really reach into those corners, get a nice oil finish all the way in. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you found that useful. A real quick tip for you again today, right in the middle of a job. If you did find it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it freely, and don't forget you can always subscribe, then you'll be notified whenever I put up something new. Or hey, just check back on a Friday. There's always something new up at noon. I'll see you then. Take care.